Let's go.
Introducing the child to the joys of learning through companionship and recreational activities, taking very great care of the physical and mental development of the child. Our belief: every child is unique, has potential, and develops at own pace. If given the right nurturing environment, every child can flourish. Playgroup. Playground activities and handwork activities to develop the motor skills of the child to deal with the environment. Nursery children learn to identify the sounds of alphabet. They learn to recognize the alphabet by listening to the sounds. Lower and upper kindergarten stage is a more controlled and structural environment, and children will be able to advance the skills that they have acquired at the previous level. Emphasis on concept development, extremely caring and qualified staff, developing multiple intelligence, smart classrooms, smart learning, stress-free learning environment, scientifically designed curriculum for academic and non-academic streams. Our aim is to inspire, encourage, and guide our students to learner, thinker, discipline, integrity, and communication.